Hello dear students. In this video, we'll see what is mode. We know we have three different central tendencies, mean, mode and median. Now we'll see what is mode. Mode is most occurring value, most occurring observation. Here we have an example. In this, 2 is occurring 3 times. Here, here and here. 2 is occurring 3 times. 3 is occurring 2 times. All other observations are occurring only once. So here observation 2, 2 is occurring most frequently. 2 is occurring 3 times. So mode is 2. This is raw data. Finding mode from raw data is little bit difficult. If we arrange the raw data in ascending order or descending order, then it becomes easier. Here we have arranged in ascending order. When we arrange the data in ascending or descending order, we call it an array. Here we have an array in ascending order. We can easily identify that 2 is occurring 3 times. So mode is 2. 2 is occurring 3 times. This is most frequent here. If we have frequency distribution table, this is frequency distribution table of the same data, we can directly see that 2 is occurring 3 times. All other observations are occurring less than 3 times. So mode is 2. So it is very easy to identify mode in frequency table. Mode is that value among the observations which occurs most frequently. In a distribution table, mode or modal value of a distribution is that value of the variable for which the frequency is maximum. Let us see another example. Here 3 is occurring 3 times. 6 is also occurring 3 times. All other observations are occurring only once. So in this data, we have two modes. Modes are 3 and 6. There can be more than one mode for a given data. There can be two modes, three modes, or any number of modes for a given data. Let us take one more example. In this example, each observation is occurring only once. As per definition, mode is most frequent observation or most occurring observation. In this data, each observation is occurring only once. All are occurring with the same frequency. So this data has no mode. Mode is not defined for this data. It is not compulsory that mode should be defined for some data. Now let us see some to-do questions. Find the mode of the following data. To find the mode of the data, raw data, it is easy to identify the data if the data is written in ascending order. So first we have to write the data in ascending order, or we can write the data in frequency distribution table form. So here we can observe from ascending order data, ascending order array, that 6 is occurring 4 times. So the most frequent value is 6. Mode is 6. In the distribution table, in the frequency distribution table also, we see that 6 is occurring most frequently. The frequency of 6, that is 4, is maximum here. So the mode is 6. In frequency distribution table, 6 is having maximum frequency, that is 4. So mode is 6. In this raw data, if we write it in ascending order, we see that 3 is occurring 3 times and 7 is also occurring 3 times. Here in frequency distribution table also we see the frequency of 3 is 3 and the frequency of 7 is 3. The maximum frequency is for two values, 3 and 7. So the modes are 3 and 7. Here in this data, 2 is occurring 3 times, 3 is occurring 3 times, 4 is occurring 3 times, 5 is occurring 3 times, and 6 is also occurring 3 times. The frequency of each observation is equal. There is no most frequently occurring observation. The frequency of each observation is 3. So this data has no mode. Mode is not defined for this data. Let us see second question. Is the mode always at the center of the data? Now let us look at various data here. Here 2 is the mode in this data. It is not at the center, it is almost at the center. Here 6 is occurring 4 times and 6 is the mode. Here also it is not at the center. Here 3 and 7. There are two modes for this data. They are not at the center. And for this data there is no mode. Whenever there is mode, if we observe the data, the mode is not at the center. The mode may be at the center, it may not be at the center. So it is not always the case that the mode exists at the center of the data. Mode need not be at the center of the data. Does the mode change if another observation is added to the data in the example? Suppose we are adding any other number other than this, the mode will not change. Even if we add 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 also, the mode will not change. The frequency of 2 is maximum. 2 is occurring 3 times. If we add 2, if the new data is 2, then frequency becomes 4. Again mode is 2 only. If we add 3, if the new data is 3, then frequency of 3 is 3. Under that condition, the frequency of 2 is 3 and 3 is also 3. Then we will have two modes. So here, if new data is added, there may be a change of mode or there may not be a change of mode. If the maximum value of an observation in the data in example is changed to 8, would the mode of the data be affected? Here in this example, the maximum value is 6. We are changing it to 8. When the maximum value is 6, 2 is occurring 3 times here. So the mode is 3. So the mode is 2. When the maximum value is changed to 8, when the maximum value is changed to 8 also, the frequency of 2 is 3. So the mode is 2 only. So when the maximum value is changed, there is no change in mode. See you in next video.